I believe the sickness has come to the soul of Ross Marquette. And I believe his soul is sickened almost to the death with him. Prayer may alleviate suffering, and God in his infinite mercy may speed the end. But Adam, I don't think there's any other cure for a soul as sick as his.
He talks the same as you and me. He looks the same. Do you think he's insane? From what I've told you?